Struggling to write a sales page that actually sells? You're not alone. Most beginners spend hours staring at a blank screen. Writing copy that convinces people to buy can feel overwhelming, but AI makes it much easier. Here is the exact prompt I type. Feel free to pause if you want to copy it. Before you know it, ChatGPT gives you a structured sales page with a headline, body copy, and call to action. You can tweak the details for your product, and you've got a starting draft without the usual frustration. But here's the thing, a draft is just step one. To actually launch a business, you need a process for turning that copy into a complete page that works, attracts buyers, and fits into a bigger plan. That's where the AI Business Builder Challenge comes in. In 5 easy to follow episodes, it walks you through organizing AI outputs like this into a real business you can start quickly. No funnels or complicated tech needed. I've linked the challenge in the description so you can check it out. Along with the episodes, you also get bonuses like a one-on-one AI strategy call and a database of tested AI prompts to save you hours of trial and error. Instead of getting stuck writing sales copy, let AI handle the heavy lifting and then use the AI Business Builder Challenge to turn it into a business page that sells. It is less than $20 and the link's waiting for you in the description.